Hey guys, Ben Carroll from Team Sunshine. Welcome to episode 10 of Solar in 60 Seconds, your daily shot of renewable energy. And today we're talking about the 7 core reasons why people are going solar right now. I'm gonna list them off for you. So number 1, solar is highly incentivized, which makes it highly affordable and a great investment. Number 2, it adds value to your home so you can sell it for more and quicker. Number 3 is it's highly predictable. So you know what you're gonna pay day 1 all the way through the life of your system. Which brings to number 4, it protects against rising rates. While you know what you're paying, everyone else is consistently battling a bill that comes in every month at a different rate. And number 5, solar has a massive environmental impact. So solar is incredibly ecologically sensitive. Number 6, solar demonstrates a willingness to change for the betterment of the community and the well-being of the planet, which registers really well with our youngsters and next generation. Number 7, solar is incredibly resilient. So even if you don't go with a battery today, as battery technology improves, becomes incentivized, and becomes a lot more affordable, you're going to be able to put in that battery later, which gives you the ability to have a smarter, more user-friendly, and significantly cheaper option if your power were to go out than getting a generator. That's episode 10, the 7 reasons why people are going solar today. If you have any other comments, questions, or concerns, drop them in the comments below. We'll answer them on a future episode. Thanks for watching, guys.